So you want to start a project that's profitable, practical, just a little bit cool? Let me introduce you to the surprising star of modern agriculture, prickly pear cactus fig. Stick around for 3 minutes. I'll walk you through why prickly pear cultivation might be the best investment you make all year. Now here's the thing. Prickly pear isn't just another fruit. It's tough, drought-resistant, and honestly, it thrives where other crops struggle. If you've got even a small plot of land, you can turn it into a money-making machine. Let's dive right into the numbers. 1 acre, or as we say, a fedan, can produce 10 tons, 30 tons of prickly pears every season. That's massive. But what really makes this project shine is how little it costs to get started. The initial investment for planting a fedan, just 2,200 Egyptian pounds. Yep, you heard me right. That's less than what you'd pay for a smartphone these days. But let's get practical. You'll need about 300 pads cladodes to plant your fedan. Space them out at 5 meters between each row, 3 meters between each plant. Why so much space? These plants grow big, and they need room to stretch their arms. Well, pads. Don't worry about fancy fertilizers either. 30 cubic meters of organic manure, 300 grams of superphosphate, 150 grams of agricultural sulfur per fedan. That's it. Watering? Start 20 days after planting, then once a week during the hot summer. This is a low-maintenance crop. So, you've got your investment, your field, and your pads in the ground. What about the payoff? Each pad can sell for around £7. With 300 pads per fedan, you're looking at a potential return of £20,000 to £30,000 per harvest, sometimes even more. And it gets even better. Prickly pears are in high demand during the summer. They're a favorite street snack, a health food, and honestly, they taste amazing. Your crop will move fast. Let's recap. Minimal investment, hardy plants, high returns, growing a superfood. There aren't many projects out there with this kind of potential, especially for such a low cost. So, if you're thinking of starting a side hustle or even going big with a new farming adventure, prickly pear might just be your ticket. With the right care and a little patience, you'll be celebrating your profit in no time. What do you think? Would you give prickly pear a go? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart project ideas. Catch you in the next one!